Morning, everybody. I've got the operational update for the Fossil Complex, the Lonerock Fire, and the Battle Mountain Fire here for September 24th. We'll start on the service fire, which is just outside Fossil. Main focus for today and the last few days is going to be suppression repair. So heavy equipment and crews are going to be in there repairing the containment lines that we installed during the fire suppression activities. This is going to be knocking berms down and installing water bars, especially on steep slopes. Helps protect the water quality and ensures there's no major erosion when the fall and winter rains come. We've got two major groups working on that. One is along the north end of the fire here, working from west to east. They got pretty good work done today, and they're just going to kind of keep on pushing east here. A lot of these lines are on pretty steep slopes, so the only way to do it is with some hand crews in there installing water bars. The other group is on the south end here, doing the same thing, headed towards the east, and they're going to be focusing on some of these interior lines for this unburned pocket. At the same time we're doing that, we still have crews conducting some final checks on mop-up. They're pushing in there pretty far, just making sure this thing's good and secure, and there's no chance of flare-ups or any escapements from containment anymore. As we move over to this next fire, these guys are headed east. They're going to run into the Lonerock Fire. The Lonerock Fire, we're doing a lot more of the same. This fire burned a little bit longer ago, so there's not much mop up to do in there. Really our focus is that suppression repair. We've got one group kind of working on the north end of this right now, just above the Forest Service property line. They're doing that same kind of work. One group working over here on the west side, one working on the east, really focusing on making sure that those lands are stable, try to return some normalcy into the land out there. These guys are kind of working towards the south, and hopefully they'll run into a group here from the service fire in the following few days is what we're hoping for. Moving over to the Battle Mountain Fire, which is in that Monument Long Creek area. Again, that same type of work. The fire is contained, it's been mopped up. We're just returning now to clean up some of the lines, the suppression lines we've had out there. Most of the focus on this fire has been on the far east side of it, kind of around Long Creek area. There's a lot of lines on this fire, a lot of indirect, a lot of interior lines that during suppression the fire had jumped. So they're working mainly up in this area now, near Top Road, just outside of Monument there and outside of Long Creek. They're going to start pushing east a little further, and we're going to have a group from the west. Correction, they're going to start pushing west a little further. We're also going to have a group working from west to east. We're really focusing on ensuring that our lines are accurate and that we know what's out there. That's the update for 9/24.